Mickey Mouse. What you doing? What you doing? Hey. Hey, baby. Come here. Come here. Ow. Mickey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come sit. Oh no. Denise, ride my dog.
What?
Ride my dog.
Mickey. Oh, damn.
Shh. Mickey, shut the fuck up. Epic fail.
Okay, wait.
Alright, no.
No.
Bring him in the room. Mickey, come here. Okay, shh. As of now, this is only my dad's sleeping.
Okay, wait.
No.
How do I get him?
No, you're not gonna get him.
I'm gonna get him.
Shh, just sit. Just sit there. Just sit there and calm down. Hey, kitty cat. Come here, Mickey. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. No, Denise, go over there. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here.
Do you have treats?
Yeah, but I don't feel like getting up.
Where are they?
And he's not gonna come to you if you give him a damn treat.
He will.
He'll just eat it. No.
We should get Pringles. Pringles.
No. Mickey. Mickey Mouse. Come here, baby. I see his nose. Can you see him?
No.
Can't fucking see him.
No.
What the fuck? Mickey, come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Look at him. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello. Oh, nose, you is wet from snow. Oh.
Yes. Let's trade. Oh no.
Epic fail. You can't ride my dog.
No, I need to ride you. I need to ride you. Ready? Are you ready?
Lay down, Mickey. No.
Down.
Animal cruelty. Animal cruelty. Okay. You're killing my dog. The end because Denise sucks.